So let's say you're a guy that has a 9 to 5 job, wakes up every day, makes $1,000, $2,000 a month, has to ask for a vacation, has maybe 2, maybe 1, or maybe even 0 vacation trips every year. And you want to finally gain that freedom. You want to stop depending on your boss. You want to stop depending on your work. You want to stop depending on your salary, which is, to be honest, not that high in these days, right? And you want to learn trading. You want to learn the system. You want to learn something that's gonna give you all these things, such as time, location, and financial freedom. Now, I get this question a lot from many people because it's obvious. If you're making so much money from trading, if you're making all this money and you have all this time, why are you selling courses? And I'll give you the most simple answer is because there are 2 things why I'm doing this. The first thing is I like doing it. I like helping people. I like being present on social media. I like recording videos. I like talking to masses, doing seminars and stuff like this. This is something I'm passionate about. And secondly, it is because trading gives me so much freedom that I have so much free time to do something in that day. And a lot of people say trading is not stable, but I'll tell you, trading is stable because you have so much free time to build other businesses. You have so much free time to generate multiple sources of income. So what I chose to do, some people choose to open business, cafe, restaurant, just something, wine shop. I chose to do education. I chose to be present on social media, and that helps me stabilize my income from month-to-month basis, and also helps me gain even more money. If I trade for 2 hours every day, why would I not use other 6, 8, 10 hours each day to gain more profits, to make more money? Of course, I make money, I sell this. So in this course, what I did is I put my heart and my soul of my 7 years of experience, a step-by-step process of how you personally can build and maintain your trading system and strategy. The biggest thing is that people don't understand that trading is a systematic process. Trading is about mathematical edge and understanding it. 95% of people lose because every time they come to the charts, every time they analyze the markets, they do it differently. They try different strategies. They try different approach, different chart colors, all that stuff. And they think that suddenly something is gonna happen overnight. It's gonna make them profitable. That's what I was doing for first 2 years. 2 years and 4 months, I was not even profitable. And I was doing same mistakes over and over and over again, hoping that one day I will wake up and suddenly out of the thin air, my strategy or my approach to trading is gonna work. But I was failing and I was in the same process, same loop over and over and over again. What made me realize and what made me successful in trading is realizing that I'm doing the same thing for 2 years and it's not working. So that means my approach might not be correct. And I realized that I need to start focusing on one thing, one strategy, and I need to have the confidence every time I come to the charts that this is where I enter the trade, this is where I exit the trade, this is my risk management, this is when I trade, this is when I don't trade. And having this list of things of what I need to do and how I need to approach the markets, so that every time I sit on the charts, I have a complete confidence and complete understanding of what I need to do every time I trade. And not just that, also understanding my win rate, my success rate, my risk to reward. So that when you face the losing streak, you don't start being fearful, you don't start changing strategies, but you trust your edge, and yet you trust your mathematical probabilities. Or even if you're winning, sometimes people win 4, 5, 6 trades in a row, and they start to gain this confidence. They start to over risk. And that's where all these profits that they built up, they lose it in one trade because they over leveraged and they completely over risked. And this is why I preach to all the people how important it is to have a structured system every time you trade. Let me give you an example. I met so many successful people. I never met once a successful person, a business person that has built his business without a business plan. The same way you need to treat trading. You need to have a trading plan, just like business people have business plan. So you have a structured approach to every single trade that you take. It is crucially important. And bringing back my point, why I was unsuccessful for 2 years is because I didn't have this foundation that I just told you. I didn't have this understanding that I just told you. What I started doing is I didn't just stop doing the mistakes. I learned from them. I improved from them. And yes, I have a structure, but market changes, the economy changes. So I make adjustments to my trading system. I do not change it completely. I don't start from zero. It's making me money. It's making me profits. Why would I completely change it? Yes, maybe there are political tensions. I will change my system. I will try to avoid news. I will down my risk. I will do all these things, but I will never completely change my trading system because it's making me so much money. And that's the approach you need to take. I can ask you some questions, and if you don't have answer to them, you will never be profitable. And this is why in module 1 of the course, we deeply analyze every fundamental aspect of trading: price action, indicators, individual candles, and all this stuff you need to understand when you look at the charts. And from module 2 to 7, we start implementing these things that we learned from module 1 into practice. We start to implement those into real life markets. So not that you just absorb the information from the first module, but you also put this to practice. You also use it as you learn about it. Because I was doing this with my focus group. I was testing this whole module thing, and they really liked the fact that I didn't just push them the information, I put them to practice. I made them to open the accounts, demo accounts, to learn. I made them to open the trades with the things that we learned, and every lesson that we took, every module that we finished, I saw a huge progress. Because this is not like the other programs where you get the information and you're left alone to do it by yourself. It is a community-based guidance. It's a community-based guidance. It's not even, I would say, lesson. It's a guidance to your success. So once you learn, you can share your progress, you can share your system with others and completely change your approach to trading. We don't just talk about trading. We also talk about psychology. We build a psychology journal, something that really helped me in my trading. So you follow your daily routines. You follow when you wake up, when you go to sleep, and you put all of these, and at the end of the sheet, you put your trading performance for that day. And once you do it for a month, 2, 3 months, you start to notice the patterns of, okay, I didn't sleep for 7 hours that night, and my trading performance was down. Or let's say I had a fight with my girlfriend and my trading performance was down. And once you have that sheet of 2 months, you start to notice the patterns of what happened during the day to you psychologically, just regular routine base, and how it affected your trading. So you put all these things that you learn into practice. You put the psychology aspect to it as well. And that what gives you the foundation, the confidence that every time you sit at the charts, you know exactly step by step how to do it, what to do it, and why you do it. And this is why we created not just the module course, the mentorship program, but also the community. Because everyone will be engaging, and the most engaging people, the most active users The most profitable users, they will be selected to be on the team to trade with me on the trading floor and make money together, and also gain access to big capital and big funds. This is literally the best opportunity to learn the skill of a lifetime. Learn the skill that will make you money. Learn the skill that will never go away. And the biggest thing is, even though, let's say you start learning and you don't like it, or somehow you're not successful, you will learn amazing skills of discipline, of understanding the economics, and they will never leave you. You will have a knowledge about finances and economy in this world. And also you will be amongst other smart, successful, and very motivated people. So now it is your time. It is your chance to take control of your life, to learn a new skill, and to join very motivated and very successful group of people. Success is your choice. So I would say take action now, and I'll see you on the other side.